What's up, guys? How you're doing today? Um, so this is actually a trade setup I saw this morning, and it's very close to my entry. It has not yet triggered me. So don't mind the background. I am in a friend's place, so I'm trading from there. So we just have to wait. We are very close to our entry. Let's just hope this trade is a good one. Now all the trades I have been taking, they are all my setup. Price has actually triggered us right now. So all the trades I've been trading, they are all my setup, where price either gives us a sweep on liquidity or a manipulation leg. So in this case, what we had here was a manipulation leg. You can see the order block right here, this down close candle. Price actually came after Monday open and manipulated downwards, accumulating longs from this order block. Now price broke this structure with a very good displacement and a fair value gap. So that fair value gap is where I am actually trading from. So I had to set my buy limit here and my stop loss here, and we're actually aiming for 1:3. Wow. So that's just it, guys. That's just it. Everything was followed. The plan was followed. My risk management was also followed. So that's what actually matters. I love the week price is giving us from here. It seems there is some kind of volatility. This is 3 o'clock London time, London session, I mean to say. So let's just hope this trade is a good one. If price should close inside this fair value gap, let me outline it so that you see what I'm talking about. That would be a great sign that price wants to go higher. Box here. So that's just it. So what's up, guys? How you all doing today? So concerning the trade I took on US30, concerning the trade I took on Euro USD today, it was a loss. As you all can see here, wait a minute, let me go to the 30 minutes time frame. So here was it, guys. Price took me out and later reversed and went straight to my direction. Like, this is crazy. It happens all the time. But I discovered that my what I was expecting, my anticipation was actually correct. It's just that price just so happened that it stopped me out before going to my direction. So today's trade was a loss, and the time is actually for 7:25. As you all can see here, this is nice time, but I just decided to record and document my trades for today. So it's just, we are currently bullish now on USD. The way, from the looks of things, price might actually want to take out this relatively equal highs over here and this other high. So this is where we're actually looking for by tomorrow and let's say the rest of the week. So that's just it for today, guys. And also, guys, I just so you know, I have a Telegram channel where I document all my trades. As you all can see here, more like a signal group, but I recently created. So if you want to participate and see what exactly and how exactly I view the markets live, this is a Telegram channel you want to join, because whenever I see my setup, I go in and drop the signal so that everyone that is in this channel can view it and actually participate from it. So do well to check the link in my description, in this description, if you want to join the group. Am I considering taking this first fair value gap? Because not all the time price can actually tap that first fair value gap and continue going higher. But let's see. But at the same time, if price takes out this high without coming to this fair value gap, I will elapse the idea. Like, to me, it's no longer a high probability setup. So let's just wait and see what happens. You feel me? Definitely, I'm going to update you guys. Definitely.
So guys, trading can be very annoying. Believe me, trading can be very annoying. The trade setup I explained earlier actually got to my take profit, but then I was waiting for price to come into this fair value gap plus this other block. In other words, a demand zone. Here is a very nice demand zone. I was expecting price to come down to this place, trigger me, then go move to the upside. But then usually I don't trade the New York session. It was past the London session. This red line you're seeing right here is the close of London session. So what I do usually is, whenever I have a pending order that has not yet triggered, I'll just go and close the order. Yes, it is part of my rule. It is part of my game plan. So today I was following my game plan and I ended up missing out on this trade, but it's fine. It is fine. It happens all the time. It happens all the time. This really shows that I am becoming more disciplined. Believe me, this is how I see it. I see that, okay, moves like this don't really freak me out because I know there are lots of opportunities in the market. So what really matters is for you to wait and get the major moves. I don't know if you understand. So then, this week we've taken just, I think, one trade. Okay, I didn't take this trade. One trade which was a loss, and tomorrow being Friday, I'm seriously hoping that I find a good setup. Believe me, I have tried this week. This week really tested me, but it's all cool. Let's just wait and see what tomorrow has for us. So what's up guys, and how you're doing today? So at the time of this recording, today is Saturday, not Friday, but this trade was a trade I took on Friday, being yesterday, but I didn't record. But I did share it to my free Telegram channel. As you all can see here, I shared the let me go over to my Telegram channel. Wait a minute. So this was the trade. Let's look. Okay, this was when I saw the trade setup. I was not with my PC then. I was at the gym. You understand? I was at the gym. So this was when I saw the trade setup. As you all can see here. Then let's see what the market holds for us. Price on US 30. Then look at when the trade was, actually moving cool. Left, entering. I started pushing to the upside. And this was when the price got to our full profit. So if you're not actually in this group, check the link in this description. Like I've been saying, if you want to join the group. So this trade was a nice trade. Usually, you guys know my strategy or the way I trade. We had a manipulation leg. This was Friday open, as you all can see that. Like look here, you see it, 27th of, is it 27th? Yes, 27th of June 2025. So we had a manipulation leg. This 3 black candles going down. This was the manipulation leg. Then after that, we had a displacement to the upside, breaking this high, which is a break of structure. Now, as usual, people would call it, you look for your next demand zone. But what I usually look is the next fair value gap. It could be close to an order block or just a single fair value gap on its own, then that was where I placed my buy limit, sorry, and aim for 1:3. So that is just how I trade. So this week we had one win and one loss, which was a very nice week. And my balance, I'm going to drop a screenshot now of my 5k balance so that you guys can see the balance of this is the trades I took for like this week, and this is my balance. I'm up about 1%. 1%. Bro, this thing is hard. Like trading in propfirm is hard, but yes, it is part of the process. You don't have to skip anything. You have to learn from each and every step you face. So that is just it. This account, I've actually traded this account to 3%. Yes, this account actually got to 3 and 4% one certain time, but then I blew everything, every single thing, and thank God I'm not even in drawdown. Like this shows that I'm really improving. I am not in drawdown. I am still in profit, but it's just that it is not like bigger, or the profit are not like larger than it used to be. So that is just trading. Some days you have small wins, some days you have big wins, some days you have big losses, and some days you have small losses. What really matters is sticking and following the whole process. So that is just the documentary of this week. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned a lot from this episode. And if you're a trader that wants to go into propfirm trading, I'm going to make a separate video on that. But if you already know about propfirms, or you're looking for a good propfirm to buy to trade with, I suggest you go for Funded Next, because believe me guys, their spread are okay, their spread are top notch, and their accounts are really cheap. If you want to check more about it, go to the link in this video, the description in this video, sorry, and check out the propfirm I use. And believe me guys, you won't regret it. So that is just the documentary of this week. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you all next week. Peace out.